How to buy CERTAI, the CERTAIK buy virtuals token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now to be able to buy this token, after that or before that, make sure to check their X accounts and keep following the updates about this token. Now to be able to buy this token, just go on the screener and find it. If you don't have an account on it, just go and click and create an account. Now after that, go and copy the token address. This token address is under base network. Now we will use the Bitget wallet for that. Just go to your wallet. Make sure you select the base network from here. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address as you can see. Now as you can see, this is our token in this corner. Just click on it and make sure to read all of this, and if you are ready to go, just click on confirm. Now click on plus icon and go back to your wallet. Now find your token from here that's called CERTAI. Click on it and click on swap. Now after that, click on switch here to be able to buy it. Just select here the token that you want to buy with. If you select USDC, make sure you have enough USDC on your Bitget wallet. Now after that, enter how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds and you will be able to see how much you will receive. Now after that, just click on buy to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy this CERTAI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.